What's going on? Today I want to show you 5 unique, useful, and fun gifts for under $100 for anybody that owns a camera. Whether you're shopping for somebody that does photography, videography, content creation, or anything in between, I'm confident there's going to be some good gift options in this video. Like always, I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to jump right into this video, but if it does help you out, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel. And also, every single thing I talk about in this video is going to be linked down in the description. Alright, first up, this is kind of a classic gift for photographers. So this is the Canon 24 to 105mm. Just kidding, this is of course a lens mug. This has been a really popular gift for photographers for years now. It's just a fun little gift to get. It's insulated, it keeps your stuff warm, it comes with a top. That's pretty much all there is to this one. It's a coffee mug, it's a fun gift to get. You can pick it up for like $10. Let's move on to the next one. All right, next up, this one might seem kind of weird at first, but it's actually a really fun one. So this right here is a mini projector. So I picked up this one for about $70 from Amazon. These are just about the cheapest projectors you can get. Now, if you didn't know, most standard projectors are really, really expensive. And so these cheap ones you can get on Amazon for like $60 to $80 are obviously nowhere near the quality of a real on-brand projector. But I've been actually having a ton of fun with this to use for just creative B-roll shots, creative photos, videos. And of course, you can just use it as a standard 1080p projector if you want to. But I actually specifically got this just to use as like a projected background for videos. You know, you can project motion graphics, videos, or even just colors onto things. And I promise you, there is seriously like an unlimited amount of creative stuff you can do with this that isn't just, you know, using it as a standard projector. And I'm sure you've probably already seen it, but I've been utilizing this projector for a bunch of B-roll shots in this video specifically to give you even more ideas of what you can use this for photography and for videos. Alright, next up, number 2.5. I just dropped some new hoodies, I dropped some new beanies, I got new hats, I got stickers, I got sweaters, anything you need for winter. I have Lightroom presets. Go check all that out, foxtailshop.com. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, next up, this one is a game changer, especially if you just use the standard camera strap that came with your camera, and that is a quick release camera strap. Now you can get these in a bunch of different brands. The one I have personally is a PGY Tech, and I absolutely love this one. But there's a ton of brands that sell these at all different types of price points. Before I had a quick release one, I found myself just never even using a camera strap because taking it on and off was so annoying, like threading it through the loops and, you know, doing all that every single time. These just save so much time, especially if you don't always want to use a camera strap or if you have a bunch of different cameras. You can get a bunch of these quick release lugs, put them on all your cameras, and just within a few seconds, just pull it off one camera, put it on another, and you're ready to go. Either way, another really simple one. I'll link a few of these at different price points down in the description. Now let's move on to the next one. Alright, next up, this is more of a universal, just all around, a great thing to have for anybody. But of course, also, if you own cameras and camera gear, a label printer is going to be extremely useful. Now, chances are you might have a label printer like this laying around already, but if you don't, I would highly, highly recommend this. I don't really think I need to go super in depth on what this is or what it does, but for like $20 or $30, if you don't already have one, I would definitely recommend picking up a label printer to label all your camera gear and really just anything else around the house. These things are awesome to keep around. All right, last but not least, this is the biggest and most expensive thing here, but still under $100. This right here is actually a collaboration between the company SmallRig and a YouTuber, Andyax. And this is pretty much meant to be an all-in-one toolkit for filmmakers, but of course you can use this for photography as well. So it's basically this kit that comes in this waterproof Pelican case that has any tools you need for any cameras or camera gear. It comes with a bunch of different types and colors of gaffer tape. You get this nice SD card case, a bunch of various standard sizes of screws that you need for cameras and camera gear. Of course, it comes with other cleaning supplies like a microfiber. You got your sensor blower right here. There's actually even a spot right here for any sort of papers, or even I think it fits an 11-inch iPad in there. And then of course they left in some extra room to add in anything else you need for this kit. This is just an awesome kit to have around. You can pretty much take it with you wherever you need. And of course you can customize this and add in whatever else you need to. But there we go, that wraps up 5 unique, useful, and fun gifts for anybody that owns a camera. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.